Hello everyone, this is Mark from Cologne Watch today with another episode of On the Wrist, and today I have for you a watch from this brand, Patek Philippe, and it's the youngest watch which they have in their collection in my opinion. It is the Aquanaut series and we will compare some different kind of models. I have selected the 5167, the regular steel version, also the rose gold I have for you. Then as well this travel time, this is a little bit thicker and it will be nice to compare them next to each other. And one vintage, there we can see where the series originally comes from. First time they released the Aquanaut in 1997, and yeah, it was also the first time I think they combined a rubber bracelet with their watch. So yeah, in the recent past I have to say that the prices went up pretty fast, and this has to do with the Nautilus, because the people cannot afford, or not everyone can afford, these crazy prices for the Nautilus, and then suddenly the prices jumped for the Aquanaut as well. So for example, the regular three-hand one, the list price is approximately, let's say, 17,000 euro, and the grey market is selling them for 23,000 euro second-hand. This one is quite affordable if you compare it to the list price. It's the travel time only sells, let's say, 3,000 to 4,000 over retail. I think this would be a pretty interesting thought. If you don't want to pay that much over retail, this watch gives some opportunities to grow in the near future. Overall, we can say that the prices for the Aquanaut are pretty reasonable compared to the Nautilus. There the prices are really crazy, and if you're interested in one Nautilus, you maybe should think about the Aquanaut, because the difference between list and grey market price is not so high. So I would say let's go into the watches and compare them to each other. So before we start and go into this beautiful Aquanaut series, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. Now, at first I will show you the complete collection which Patek is offering. So this was one novelty from last year, the chronograph in 42.2mm. This is a steel watch which sells way over retail. We had it also with us sometime, but at the moment I cannot show it to you. And then here is the white gold version, also 42mm. Some say this might get discontinued now because it was for the anniversary, but I cannot confirm it. Then we have the travel time. This watch is with me as well. We will go into that later. Then there's also one travel time in rose gold, same watch but in gold. Then there is the Aquanaut rose gold 5167. This I have here with me, the steel one as well, and the unpopular version with this steel bracelet. These two watches are selling in the grey market for the same price, but there is a difference of almost 3,000 euro, I think. So this one is not very popular, I have to say. Also the bracelet, it's not my kind of style, but nice to have anyhow. Then we have some ladies' watches as well, but we will focus today on the men's collection. So with every Patek Aquanaut, with every modern Patek Aquanaut, there will be this nice wooden box, and inside there should be a nice watch, of course. In this case there is the 5167R. This is the rose gold one. We can see it has 3 hands and a date, and next to this one we have also the steel version. So it wears pretty nice with its 40mm diameter. It's waterproof to 120 meters, and overall the thickness is 8.1 millimeters, so it fits pretty nice under the cuff. Yeah, it is, I would say, a more dynamic, modern Nautilus. Overall, this is with the rubber bracelet a much more younger watch. It has always a folding clasp, and here we also see the glass bottom with the rotor, so you can have a look on the movement. At one point It has been a while. I got this one in and I was looking on Chrome24, sawing the prices going crazy because the last one I sold was some time ago, but I sold it I think for I sold one second-hand one for list price, and I was thinking, wow, this is really possible. But now this one is selling for 23,000 euro in the grey market. And this one, as second-hand, the cheapest one currently is available for 32,000 euros. So they did a great performance, and I think it will continue even more. So yeah, if you're interested in this, you should maybe get one quite soon, because I think they will get more expensive in 2019. They did a pretty nice job. The only thing is, you have to be careful when you alterate the bracelet. So you see here that you can only cut the bracelet. So if it's too short, you have to buy a new one, and this is pretty expensive. It would be sad if you need to buy one. Yeah, but it's really like this. So as well as the regular one, I have the travel time also with me. And here we can see that the dial is a little bit different. It's more busy, also waterproof, and the nice thing about this one, we have a date here at 6 o'clock and a second time zone. You can set this time zone with these buttons here at the side, also like the 5990, and it has a day and night indicator. We can see it here under the 9. Now it's going dark, so this would be night, and then now it's turning day again. This is a nice complication. It's a little bit thicker than the regular one, but the wearing comfort is the same. If you're between these two models, at the moment I would say go for this one, because the price is, compared to the list price in the grey market, the price is okay. So this one we sell for 33,000 euro and the list price is 29 something. So overall there would be some, yeah, in 2019 I think this will move up a little bit to maybe 36 or 39,000. It's possible, because overall it's a nice watch, great complication, and yeah. So keep an eye on this one if you're interested in this. And then now you see the history of the Aquanaut. This is one not so popular model. I have to check the reference. It is the 5060. So this is where the Aquanaut also comes. This is part of the history. It's quite small compared to the modern Aquanaut watches, and yeah, but it also has the same kind of style regarding the bracelet, the folding clasp, no glass bottom like the 3800 or the 3700 compared to the 5711. But overall we can see where the series did come from, and it's nice to see. So if you are a young guy and you're looking for a modern Patek, then maybe this is your watch to go. I mean, there are not a lot alternatives to this one. So overall you can choose the Nautilus, but the prices are too high. And then what is besides that model, what can you choose? Okay, the Pilot watch, but it's not really my kind of style, so the Aquanaut is the way to go. So check it out. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in one of these watches, please visit our website. There you can see all the details, box papers, from where and when the watch are issued. And if you want to sell your watch, maybe you have one Aquanaut for us, then just send us an email and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Manchmal jetzt geht, ne? Now we're there. The travel time and one vintage gold Aquanaut. Mein Gott, ey. The regular one, 3 hands with a date,